Welcome back to SkateIntel, where we help you find the best spot to skate. Today we're here in Boulder, Colorado at the GreenBlock DIY Skatepark. I apologize for any background noise today. There's a ton of construction going on all around this park. However, I'm gonna take a little walk around and we'll see what they got. This park has a ton of different obstacles, tons of ledges, different types of rails. We got some kicker ramps, barriers, lots of different obstacles you'll typically find at DIYs, and it's all on this super smooth platform underneath this cool overhang that provides a little bit of shade. If you're a transition skater, this park is probably not the best for you because this is the only quarter pipe in sight, and honestly it looks a little sketchy. But if you're a street skater like me, then I think you're gonna love this place. They have 8 different rails at this park, 3 of which are just standard flat bars. They got 2 giant square rails. They're both about thigh height, so that's pretty high to get onto. I bet you'll be able to pull something off, but probably you'll be a little difficult. Right here is a cool S-shaped circle rail with super tight angles. It'd be pretty sick to try and grind that whole thing. We got a little manual pad right here with the circle rail going over it. That should be pretty fun to hit some tricks on. When it comes to ledges, I got a few of those too. Right here is 2 metal benches back to back. One's a little taller, one's shorter. There's a couple homemade boxes placed all around the park. And they have this big picnic table right here. It's metal all over, so it should be super easy to grind, and it looks pretty fun. They got a couple different kicker ramps here at the park. This one looks like the best. It's pretty mellow, and you can drag things over and launch right over them. I'm surprised I landed that. That was like all primo. I'm gonna run that back. We got a fat pole jam right here if you're feeling it. And they got tons of parking blocks and curbs all over the place, so it'll be great for slappy grinds and whatever you got. The whole area has a super smooth flat ground as well, so if you're just trying to come out and learn some new flat ground tricks, it's great for that. Props to whoever built this place. I'm sure it was a joint effort from all the local skaters. However, everything here looks super nice and well built, and it should be a lot of fun to cruise around and get some tricks. I'm out here solo today, so I gotta throw you guys on the tripod to get some clips, but I'll try to keep it interesting for you. The entire park where this DIY is located has tons of different dirt jumps for bikes. I was cruising around there yesterday, and it's actually a ton of fun. So if you're a biker, I highly recommend coming by and checking it out. Overall, the GreenBlock DIY is a super cool park. I got some intel from the locals, and they told me that the city actually put in half of the obstacles, and then locals brought in some others and put them in themselves. So if you're a local builder, this is a perfect place to come by and put in some new obstacles. Overall, I had a ton of fun here. They definitely have a ton of obstacles. Some of them are really good, some of them are pretty bad. So pick and choose which ones you want to skate, and I bet you'll have a fun day either way. I actually got word that the construction they've been doing all day is a new park they're putting in, so come through in a couple months and that might be done. If you guys like the content, check out our channel. We post weekly skate park tours, spot checks, product reviews, and we're on a journey to hit every skate park in the world. So subscribe if you want to come along, and we'll see you next week with some more intel. Peace.